Hi everybody, Mike Weber here with Keller Williams Realty. Today I want to share with you the reason why most properties are selling completely as is in this market. So for the last 5 or 6 years we have been in a strong seller's market, which means there's generally way more buyers looking to buy any property that gets listed than there are sellers that are actually willing to sell. And so over the last 3 or 4 years, sellers have really started to catch on that they really don't have to do any repairs or bring the property up to any certain standard to get a qualified buyer who's happy to buy the property in its current condition. And so over the last 2 or 3 years, what we've seen is probably about 50% of the properties that get listed on the multiple listing service have in the notes very clearly that the seller's not going to do any repairs, any termite work, or offer any credit to the buyer whatsoever. And so it's important for the buyer to keep this in mind, and of course a good agent is going to convey this to the buyer as soon as is reasonably possible. Now oftentimes in the counteroffer process, once a seller who hasn't said that initially sees that they're going to get 5 or 8 or 10 or 15 offers on their property, it's very, very common, and I would say probably up to 90% of all properties that sell at that point that they include some language in the counteroffer to let the buyer know, hey, we're not going to do anything, we're not going to offer any credit, any repairs or anything like that. So that's really the reason why properties are selling in as-is condition right now. A lot of times people think that a seller can't sell a property that has code violations or maybe needs, major repairs or things like that. And that's absolutely not the case. Properties are sold every day in a variety of different conditions, having code issues, having illegal additions, and anything you could possibly imagine. There's buyers out there buying these properties and doing whatever it is that they're going to do with them. So if this information was useful, do me a favor, click the thumbs up button, and if you would like to continue receiving great real estate related content, go ahead and click the subscribe button. Also, if you have any questions about real estate, or you're thinking about buying a property, selling a property, or maybe investing in a property, reach out to me today at the number on the screen. I'm here to help and I would love to do so. Thanks so much for watching. Again, it's Mike Weber with Keller Williams Realty. I'll see you next time.